So I told you guys I had it very light behind the couch here, the alarm. If you've just watched, if you're just now catching what I'm going, what I'm doing, you need to watch my other video because it talks about the alarm. Here's the sign. You want to hear it? Oh, wow. Okay, so when you first plug it in, of course, it has a huge, loud whoop, you know. And I'll go ahead and tell you, the battery's dead. Not real sure why. How do you like them wires? So we'll just go and pull the plug. And if you look, the keypad is out. Or is it? Holy snot, the keypad ain't out. Okay, well, so the battery still works. I thought the battery was dead. We'll go ahead and pull a wire off the battery. That way we can do a full system reset. Give it a few seconds. When we plug it back in, the alarm's going to go off, so be real careful. And there it went. I guess it's some kind of system test to test. Hold on. I got to plug his cord back in. Plug it in and not get shocked. That's the main goal. So we'll just put that back in there. And actually the battery should actually start clearing up now because I didn't even know it, but it's charging. So that's all good. Now we're showing trouble. Of course, I know what those are, but it remembered that it was armed. Oh my gosh. That's scary. Okay, let me get my codes because I forgot the code. I have a cheat sheet. Everybody deserves a cheat sheet, okay? That ain't it. 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 *6 master code 1. It's real easy. Oh, got to disarm. *6. And you press 1, pound. Woo, there's no trouble. Okay, well that was interesting. So now that we know the battery's actually working, it cleared trouble because that was what the problem was. There was also something wrong with the fire sensor, which I had it wired wrong last night, and I blew smoke into it to try and trip it, and made it mad, I guess, and that's what threw trouble. But just as soon as green goes off, we'll be armed. Oh, and now we have trouble. Thank you, trouble. We love you so much. 5, 2, okay. I'll have to call support, okay? Support's going to help me with this one because there's something wrong with the fire sensor. Thank you. Have a great day.